Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikir here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. But before starting our video, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen. Now again tap on gear from the top right corner of your screen. You will be loaded to settings and privacy section, and at the very top at account section tap on personal and account information. Once you tap on there, again tap on the very first option that says name. In here you will be able to update your name. Type on the first name that you want to update and then last name. And there is a small note from Facebook that says if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So only after 60 days you will be able to change your name. So with that on your mind, again tap on review change. Once you tap on there, a preview of your name will be displayed, and choose how you want your name to be appear on your profile. To save this setting, you have to enter your Facebook password. Once you're done with that, tap on save changes and your name has been changed. Now go back to your profile and refresh down, and you have successfully changed your Facebook name. So this is how you can simply change your name on Facebook. That's all. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.